Hey guys, my name is Milan and I will give you a quick demo to a project I made, QR AI generator for 2024 Akash Hackathon. So let's start. The vision. The main vision behind the project is to provide to a people service which they can use to generate QR codes with an AI, enabling mixture of standard QR codes with new visual effects beside them. QR codes made this way will attract more attention, increasing scan rates, enhancing brand recognition. Also, those same visuals provide additional hints about the link's content, improving the user's interaction. Now here you can see two QR codes generated with this demo. Let's go to the architecture. Architecture is made with a thought of maximum scalability. It was developed into three services. First one is web server service, which is used for user interaction, mostly streaming real-time data over web sockets. Second one is Redis server, which uses the queues for the synchronization between work that needs to be done, sent by a web server and received by AI workers. Third service, and mostly the main one, is the AI workers, which can be scaled per need. As they take most of the time for their inferencing, these services are clearly the bottleneck of the whole system. That's why they were made that way, totally scalable. So in principle, if you look at the diagram, you can see here clients sending data, I would say tasks, to the web server. Web server then prepares those tasks and puts them into Redis service queue, which AI worker takes on its own and processes it, then returns it to the Redis server from where web server can use them and send them to the clients. So in principle, that's the architecture. Now maybe we can go and see how the real demo looks. So this is the initial landing page of the demo. Here you have some input fields which you have to fill in. For the QR code content, let's use the link for this site. Prompt, actually the prompt for the stable diffusion. We can put something like, I don't know, city, gray, buildings, picture. The rest are the sliders which are also used, but they are quite well documented on the page, and I won't be wasting your time now explaining each one of them. For those, you can check them in person. And now let's use one of these images for the start. Now, before we press generate, I also want to showcase the actual synchronization between multiple tasks run at the same time. So here I have prepared 2-second windows with the same website. So now we'll start here the generation, and also here and also here. So in principle, you can see here this one is generating QR code and the other ones are in the queue. Also, I've created the filtering of the disconnected clients. So what are we going to do? We are going to disconnect this client, and in principle what should happen when this one finishes, this one will start immediately. Now let's wait a bit until this one is finished. Here you can see that the city QR code has been generated, and the one that was on the right, that was second in the queue, now started immediately to process. Let's wait for him also. Okay, the second one finished also. I have to mention that not all QR codes generated are scannable. You usually have to play a little bit with the starting parameters until you get something that can be used. So also one additional thing is all this demo is deployed and used from the Akash Network. You can see here on this website that I'm using that I have deployed 3 services that I've explained in the architecture part. Deployment file and the rest you can find on the official GitHub repo. Everything is open source, so you can use it as you wish. And that would be all. Thanks for watching. See you.